নমস্কার, স্পোর্টস স্ক্রিনে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আপনাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছে আমি কৌশিক। আপনারা জানেন যে ইতিমধ্যেই কিন্তু দল গঠনের প্রক্রিয়া শুরু করে ফেলেছে ইস্টবেঙ্গল, মোহনবাগান এবং আইএসএলে অংশগ্রহণকারী বিভিন্ন দল। ইস্টবেঙ্গল বিশেষ করে এবছর দল গঠনে কিন্তু নিজেদের সর্বস্ব দিয়ে ঝাঁপিয়েছে, কারণ লাগাতার যেভাবে খারাপ ফর্ম চলছে এই দলের, তাতে সমর্থকরা প্রচণ্ড হতাশ কর্তারাও। এই মরশুমটাকে রিমার্কেবল করতে মরিয়া ইস্টবেঙ্গল, এবং তা নিয়েই কিন্তু আজকে বৈঠক ছিল ইমামির দফতরে ইস্টবেঙ্গল কর্তাদের সঙ্গে। এবং সেই বৈঠক শেষে কি বলছেন ইস্টবেঙ্গলের যে বিনিয়োগকারী সংস্থা ইমামির অন্যতম কর্তা বিভাস আগরওয়াল, শুনেন।
I think someone as senior as Didi really is a good sign. She wants to help us and make us a stronger bond between Imami and East Bengal, and it is great that we are able to do this, and we look forward to working with Zulfi.
ঝুলন কি বলবেন কীভাবে হেল্প করতে চান?
Today was the first meeting. Let us see how we can build on this.
ট্রান্সফার যেহেতু মৌসুম চলছে, আমরা কি আশা করতে পারি যে নেক্সট ইয়ার যা টিম ছিল এবছর আরও বেটার হতে পারে?
So last year at the beginning of the year, team was very good, very strong team. We thought that हम लोग का performance will be very good, and unfortunately वैसा नहीं हो पाया. इस साल भी team will be made according to what the coach wants and how he wants it, suiting his style of play. This is his first year where he's getting his style of play, because last year we changed coaches in the middle. So hopefully we get the results that we desire from the team and what we need from East Bengal. It's about winning, and that is what we need to do. So hopefully we are able to deliver on what he wants and the player that he wants.
Any learning from the last season that have been addressed in today's meeting?
Medical is something which is very important, and we are addressing that. We are looking for new medical partnerships. We have revamped our medical team. We have changed our head physio as well, and we are looking into building our own medical and rehab center, which is exclusive for East Bengal. So that is something I think will be first time for us, and we think that will get us better results.
ঝুলন তো ক্রিকেট মাঠে একটা ফেস, ফর্মার ইন্ডিয়া ক্যাপ্টেন। তো ঝুলন কি ইস্টবেঙ্গল ফুটবল টিমটাকে কোনোভাবে প্রমোট করার জন্য কাজে লাগানো হতে পারে? লাইক ব্র্যান্ড অ্যাম্বাসাডার।
Julali has a lot of strengths, and whenever we discuss, she has a lot of passion for the club. She just wants to win, and so do we. So any input from her and helping us motivate the athletes, it's all about football and how we can bring better results. So brand promotion and everything else is secondary. How we can help the team and promote football is most important for us.
No, last season foreigners' performance was bit ordinary. So any talks in today's meeting regarding bringing quality foreigners? No need to reveal any name, but still.
We always look to bring the best foreigners. Last year we got Demi top scorer, Talal best assister, Izazi one of the best defenders. Unfortunately it didn't work out. This year the plan is the same, to bring in the best, and hopefully it works out this time.
ফরেনার টোটাল চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, কিছু প্ল্যানিং আছে না?
No, can't say. There's going to be big changes, important changes.
ন্যাশনাল টিম প্লেয়ার্স নেক্সট ইয়ার।
New national team players next year. I'm sorry, I can't, if I say something like this, then you all will get to know. We are going to build a stronger team than last year, that is for sure.
According to the list of the coach, Oscar list, or you choose the player
No,
apart from
whatever Oscar says, we then have Mr. Thangboy helping us now. Two of them finalize what they want, and we just give the okay. They do everything. We don't have a technical say in it.
as far as Indian squad concerned, Thombai Singh will playing a significant role.
Yes, Mr. Thangboy is, of course, as everyone knows, head of football.
Yeah.
Not only in terms of Indian, but even recruitment of foreigners. And football is not only about recruiting new players, it is about managing the expectations and players as well. So Mr. Thangboy will play a very important role in the club this year.
This year, your expectation?
As usual, East Bengal only expects to be champions, and I don't think we expect anything else this year.
Because Dimitrios is a great player. The year before last was the highest scorer. But are you satisfied with his performance?
Even
Last
Dimi
year.
is not satisfied with his performance last year. We've spoken about it. He knows where he needs to improve. He's an experienced player. So hopefully he can bring what his heart wants to the pitch as well.
Now, is there any development about the graceful exit of that striker?
I cannot comment on it.
Yesterday, one of your East Bengal bowlers, Sunil Musa, has said that he wants to help East Bengal by recruiting some African footballers. So, will you take help from them? Is there any possibility?
Of course, everyone is always welcome to help, and everyone is always welcome to give us advice. Then it is upon Oscar and Thangboy who they want to listen to. We are no one to stop them. If they have a good relationship with Mr. Musa, then why not? We can always, it is a great honor for us that he still holds the club so dearly to his heart and how he loves the club. And anyone, a well-wisher of the club, is always welcome to speak to us anytime they want. We are very available, I think.